Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this windshield cleaner. This is an expandable one. Now you're simply going to install this. Now the way that this rotates, you should be able to like hold this and turn this. But when it comes shipped, it's like that. So you got to pull this out and now you're going to hold this and turn this handle to the right. That locks it into place. When I need to loosen it, hold this and turn this entire handle. You don't turn that thing. You turn this whole handle, then you can put it wherever you want it. Hold that again and turn it. So now let's put it on the handle, put those little ears in, and then they should pop into place. And again, now I've got more leverage here. Just turn this handle. I can go up or down, anywhere I want in between. Turn that, and now it is nice and solid. Let's measure that real quick. Okay, with the handle all the way extended, about 17.5 inches. Let's turn it. And with it all the way in is about 12.5. It does come with a spray bottle. You only put water in here. Water will clean the inside of your windshield. Very, very nice. We're just going to spray a little bit on there. It does come with these other pads that we can reuse. And it does come with a nice bag. So let's go see how it cleans our windshield. Okay, I'm inside my truck. Again, you're just simply going to spray. This is water. Just mist a little bit of water, no chemicals. And now you're going to take this. I've got really good leverage now. I like it. Let's see. I like that it's got a V shape. I can get down in the corner, go like that. Yeah, this thing, I like that leverage I got. I can really push on the window and I feel like I'm doing a good job cleaning it. And it actually gets that grime off the inside of your window very well. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.